guys, so here we are and we're going to explain how to adjust your new Mountain Pass Sports or Comfort Adjustable Coilovers. We'll start with the front and let's go to the bump adjustment. Alright, so the bump adjustment can be found on the bottom of the front damper. Here we have an all-wheel drive damper. As you can see, we have our bump adjustment, shows plus and minus. The rule of thumb is whatever end of the damper you're looking at, you'll turn it clockwise to go more stiff and counterclockwise to go softer. Yes, there's numbers, but since we have more clicks than numbers, they're kind of irrelevant. So you can feel the detents and even hear them as you turn it. And so with any of our settings that we provide on our website, we'll go from clicks from full stiff. So we're going to turn all the way clockwise to full stiff, and then we're going to count our clicks back from full stiff. So here we are, full stiff. Say the setting is 10. That means we're going to go counterclockwise, 10 clicks. Done. Here we have the rebound adjustment on the top of the front damper. You can see there's a small hex there for a 2.5 millimeter Allen key or the provided rebound tool. You can see here. Make sure you put this back in your glove box when you're done with it. If you leave it in the damper, it will probably bounce out. So now I'll show you what you'll be looking at on the car. So here's what you'll be looking at when you have your front trim removed, or if you have a Model Y, just the first trim that covers a 12-volt battery. So we'll take our tool here, which is again marked with plus and minus. We'll insert it into the damper, and we turn it clockwise for stiff, counterclockwise for softer. Now, this one won't have audible detents, but you can still feel them. And if you're having trouble feeling them, you can remember it's 6 clicks per full turn. Remove the tool when you're done. Here we are at the rear damper. At the top, you'll find the rebound once again. And we have our same clicking adjuster. Go to full stiff and then count the clicks back from full stiff. In case you get lost, you have your plus and minus, but remember, it's clockwise if you're looking from the top to go stiffer. Here we are at the bottom of the rear damper for the bump adjustment. Now this is the same as the other end. You have your plus and minus, which you can see are engraved in there. And once again, you'll find the same clicks. I like to leave the wheels on the car when I do this and just go by feel. So try to remember the rule of thumb, counterclockwise is softer and clockwise is stiff. But if you do need to see the plus and minus, it might be easier to remove the wheels. All right, that's it for now. If there's any other questions you have and you'd like to see a video, please leave a comment and we'll see what we can do. Thanks and see you next time.